So hey YouTube, it's good to see you guys again. It's been a while, so welcome to the Piano Chord Book. And my name is Aaron Whitehead, and just wanted to take a moment to respond to some of your questions and comments and so on. So sometimes it's hard for me to get on here and do that. I wanted to make sure I take some time to do that. So here's some comments recently. First of all, Gay Spinny Hug, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Glad you enjoyed the video. Resi Z, how do you know what G to press if there is 4? Good question. The piano keyboard has several G's across it. Most often we're talking about the G either below or above middle C, and middle C is the C closest to the center of the piano keyboard. But there is actually a notation that you can use where G0 is the G lowest to the piano, and then you got G1, G2, G3, G4, and so on. So you may notice a little number after the G, and that's telling you what G it is on the piano from left to right, starting at 0. Jordan Libradia, I want to learn the piano. I love it so much. Glad you enjoyed the video, Jordan. Miriam Tennyson, can't do this too fast because I'm 8. Miriam, I didn't start playing the piano until I was 13. So you're already ahead of me on that. Stick with it. Don't lose hope. You are going to get it if you keep working. So Lord Snake, you are welcome. Glad you found the Fur Elise video helpful. Legendary G-Talker Bloops. So many pauses, and I understand. That's actually part of my intent, putting the videos together. Try and make them real short, 3 to 5 minutes long each one, but it means I have to pack a lot of information into each video. So you will have to pause quite a bit, but that's the beauty of YouTube. Click pause, jump back a little bit, watch the same section over and over again. Keep practicing that part until you really get it. That's what I'm encouraging you to do. Florin Pasca 2000, thank you so much. God bless you too. 7 Colin 7, what's up, my man? I know you. Thank you so much for your kind words. You are my favorite PE student. And Bend EM, and perfect. Thank you so much. Glad you found that video helpful. And Kyla Green, would be helpful if it were slower. I understand. Again, try and make it so there's a lot of information packed into a short video because I know our time is valuable. And so want to give you as much information as I can in a short amount of time. Sup, Kyle? I like your profile pic. Glad you found the video helpful. Ralph Garrett, thank you so much. Blessings over you as well. And Charlie Hartman, thank you so much. Good to see you again, my friend. Glad you liked the Moonlight Sonata video. Keep working. You're doing great. Clearview Window Cleaning, you are welcome. Thank you. Glad you found the videos helpful. Pink is Love. I am glad that I was helpful to you. And I'm sorry that you hate it now. Hard to hear. Lavella Stratton, thank you so much for your communication. Let me know how your son's project went and whether the Silent Night was the way to go. So glad that we could communicate in that way. Pearly Thomas, and I'm glad you liked the video and that the fingering and all that was helpful. Very good. Thank you for watching. And Sathi Rara, thank you so much. I'm glad that the video was helpful to you. Hey boy, let's see. Hey Mr. Whitehead, I don't know who you are, but I need to learn the second jazz part of this piece. Then I'm going to know the whole song. That is a tricky part. Linus and Lucy, after the part that I taught in the video, goes into a solo, and it's really hard to convey the intricacies of what's happening in the solo on a video such as that, but I will take that into consideration and think about that, so thank you. Let's see, Tim Lysishan, from a 60-year-old man, spent his life playing jazz guitar and 5-string banjo, never touch a keyboard, bottom of my heart, thank you, sir, you got me there, awesome, so glad for you, Tim. Stick with it, you are never, you can learn, you're always a learner, right, never too old to pick it up, so thank you so much, and that's all the comments we're going to respond to now, but want to encourage you to send me your questions, your comments. I want to be as helpful as possible, and subscribe, and let me know how I can help you on your journey of learning music. God bless you all, and we'll catch you soon. Thanks. Bye.